This is why I do my own maintenance.
You definitely look the part. Let me see your face.
Would you like a beef stick with
Hell
cheese?
yeah. Hell yeah. We're the 3 best friends that anybody could have, and we'll never leave each other. Bye! Hey, what are we doing?
Oh, we're picking up the Harley. Finally, it's been a week.
Because what were we having done?
50,000 mile, well, 46,000 mile maintenance.
Getting her ready for Sturgis because that's our only trip that we have planned.
And normally I do all this stuff myself, but I just haven't had the time.
Yeah,
so here we are.
So we're paying to have
And
it done. Sir, what are you doing?
Browsing.
Not that color.
I was looking for a Road Glide Ultra. They don't have one here. Not to buy, just to look and pretend to buy.
Look good. Babe.
You look pretty good on that.
Right? Please? There she is. All it's missing is me and that lowrider ST.
Is that what was missing?
Yeah, see? Can't you just see me sitting here on my new bike? No?
I think she'd look good on it. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna have a lot to think about tonight.
I know. I really like it.
Really?
It felt good. Obviously I didn't ride it, but just sitting on it, it felt really
Do you
nice.
want to ride it?
No, I mean, yeah, but not today.
Not today?
Not today.
Kind of prepare yourself.
Yeah, yeah. Because I'll probably take it home.
But the Ultra is done. It's got fresh oil, rebuilt forks, all the 50K stuff that I didn't want to do. It's got a new cam cover gasket, so that's nice. It's been leaking for a while, and I just never had a chance to fix it because I'm always making videos for YouTube.
For YouTube.
So let's hit the road.
So $1,000 later, let's go home. I don't think I mentioned this, but this is my first ride of 2020. Sad as 20. Oh my God! Don't go back to 2020. This is my first ride of 2022. Sir, I'm vlogging just because of all of our medical issues we've had, and that's pretty much it, right? Us moving. Yeah. So this is my first ride. This is stupid.
This is stupid.
What's happening?
So the cruise is not working and my ABS light's on. So I hooked the tuner up and I've got my rear wheel speed sensor is shorted out or something. And I am not a Harley technician, but I am kind of, sort of helpful to myself. Aha! Right there. So that,
Hopefully that's all it is, right?
that should be it. We're gonna try it and then we'll pull over and I'll call them back and let them know what's up. This is why I do my own maintenance.
You definitely look the part. Let me see your face.
I look like a football player.
Yeah. And it's nice that we have this wonderful 95-degree weather and a stiff 20-mile-an-hour wind to go along with it. Look, I'm helping.
Good times. This is why A, you do your own maintenance, and B, you learn a little bit about your bike so you can fix it on the road. You don't have to rely so much on other people. Because a lot of, we'll see if this works, but if it didn't work, we'd probably be, well, thankfully it still runs and we can go places with it, but a lot of people would call a tow truck, try to fix, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
well, but that thing kind of saved us too, because it told us what it was,
yeah,
right?
so I have a Power Vision and it reads codes. So not only is it a tuner, it reads codes. So I highly recommend the Power Vision, not sponsored, because you can read codes on the side of the road and kind of get an idea of what to work with. It told me the rear wheel speed sensor was shorted out and it was unplugged. So we'll go test it out and see if that works. Fingers fucking crossed. So glad I pulled these wires out so I don't have to pull my seat off to take my saddlebags off. What a pain in the ass that would be. Okay, that's good. I got my good jeans all fucking dirty.
You still look cute though.
We're good. No rubber parts on the ground, right?
Nope. Hang on, let me see your face.
Mama cleaning me up.
All right, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Hey, the light went off. What you got?
Mind your business. It's been hot today.
It's much needed.
I'll just hold it.
Won't fit?
No,
You mad?
I'm just getting irritated.
You cranky?
I'm hot. I'm thirsty. Why are you so grumpy?
Hot. It's hot out.
We're not conditioned to this.
It's 95 degrees.
We're not used to this.
Listen, back in the day, riding in 95-degree weather wasn't a big deal.
No.
Now, it kind of sucks. And I don't know if I'm becoming a fair weather rider
A bougie bitch.
or if I just I enjoy riding for fun, and it's not fun when it's 95 degrees.
It's not, I agree.
It's fun for like 30 miles.
Not for 4 hours like we've been out.
What do you guys think? Tell me if I'm being a pussy.
I think you're being a pussy. I'm a pussy too, so it's fine.
Anyway, shout out to Platte River for getting my maintenance done, letting me squeeze in. I know they're super busy, and I don't want to put them on blast too hard for forgetting to plug my wheel sensor in, because if you've ever worked on things, stuff like that happens all the time. It's not a big deal. It was a minor inconvenience. We got it fixed on the road.
Easy to fix. It was a super, once we figured it out.
So,
we figured it out.
No harm, no foul. We're good.
We're good. Good job. First ride of the year.
Yeah, for you.
Yeah, for me.
Second for me.
And it is June 24th. So.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next one.
What do you want to listen to?
Death metal.
I told you death metal.
I'm not listening to death metal.
Well, I'm sure it's not listening to Trisha Yearwood, Grant.